and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing my top 5 seed companies to order from, all of which are small, family-owned businesses that I personally trust and love supporting. Now let's get started. So number 5 on my list for seed companies I like to get seeds from would be Renee's Garden. I personally go to a local nursery to buy my seeds for Renee's Garden. However, I did look it up. You can order seeds online and they do ship to Canada as well, but they do have a shipping charge for that. And if you are buying seeds for a gardener out there, they do offer gift certificates for their website as well. Here's what Renee's Garden seed website looks like in case you were wanting to buy seeds, plants, or bulbs from them. Here's some of my favorites. I like white ice lavender, dwarf straw flowers, rainbow bouquet, snack hero, snap peas, great for putting in containers or hanging baskets, container bush slicer cucumbers, container zucchinis. All those are very compact plants. Great if you have a patio garden or just don't want the plant to take over and you want to grow it in a small space. Now the number 4 seed company I like to order from would be PEI Seed Alliance. They're also a small family-run seed company. They don't have any online ordering. You have to email in your order, and the only way to make payment is via e-transfer because they are a small seed company, but they do have quite the variety of selections as seen here on their website. Some of my favorite varieties to order from, and the reason I order from them is because of the silver slicer cucumber seeds. I cannot find these cucumber seeds almost anywhere else in Canada, and their seeds are near 100% germination. I've never had any issues with their seeds, and I absolutely love them for that reason. A few other varieties I love from them would also be Speedy Green Beans. They're also a fantastic stringless bean. And another one would be Gilberty Paste Tomato. They do have really nice, simple, handwritten packages and just gives that personal touch for their company. Another thing with PEI Seed Alliance is they do not offer any gift cards or gift certificates for their website because they are a smaller company. However, if you are buying for Christmas, say a stocking stuffer or whatnot for that gardener friend or family member, you can just print off a few pictures of the seed packs or of the website and say, here's $30 or how much ever you're wanting to give for them. Now for number 3 seed company I like to order from would be Sunshine Farms. They're based out of Kelowna. They're also a small family-run seed company. They have really nice seed packages, as you can see here. And I have ordered from them in the past when I did not live in the Okanagan, and their shipping charges are very reasonable. Their website is very easy to maneuver. Here's what their website looks like there. You have to scroll down to the bottom to find where to order. And if you were wanting to just get a gift card for their company, I did see that they do offer a deal. So you could get a $30 gift card, which covers 10 packages of seeds, which is a bit of a discount compared to their individual seed packages. Now to my number 2 seed company to order from, which would be Lindenberg Seeds. I like to order from Lindenberg Seeds because they have a wide variety of flower seeds. They also do have a wide variety of vegetables, herbs, perennials, plants, as well as rhizomes, bulbs that you can order. They have even gardening books and seed starting trays, grow lights, pretty much the whole 9 yards. Just look through their catalog. They have quite the selection as well. They don't do online ordering. However, here you can go on their website and you can see that they, you click on our products, click on that, open their seed catalog. In order to order from their website, you have to go to their order form, fill out the order form. I copy the product number and the title of what the item is that I'm wanting to order, and I email their order form to them. You can also do it over the phone, which I have done in the past, which can be a little bit quicker. I phone in the order, give them my card number over the phone, and go do it that way. I did phone them to find out if they do gift certificates, and they do have gift certificates. You can phone in and tell them what you would like a gift certificate for, the value. They'll do it over the phone and email it to you. Now for my number one seed company to order from would be M.I. Gardner in Michigan. M.I. Gardner has over 700 varieties of seeds. I get 90% of my vegetable and herb seeds from them. I have ordered flower seeds from them as well, but I do really like to get seeds from them as they are very affordable and free shipping to Canada over $20. So can't really go wrong with that. They have very pretty seed packages. Some of my favorites would be these giant crimson tomatoes, national pickling cucumbers. They have baby bear pumpkins. Salpiglosis is one of the flowers I order. Here's some aster seeds. You can see very pretty seed packages. And then one of my favorite tomatoes is their mushroom basket tomato. They have tons of watermelon varieties. Charleston Gray is one of my favorites. So as you can see, lots of varieties. They do also offer e-gift certificates. So if you are buying something for Christmas for a family member or a friend and don't have time to wait for a seed order, want them to choose their own, you can just go on their website and get a gift certificate for them that way and print it off for them. But that is my 5 top seed companies that I like to order from. I hope this video has helped you. If I missed a seed company that you really like, please leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite seed company is to order.